ZEBEC network, we believe, is an easy 10x for this cycle, for this year. Easy 10x. In this video, we're going to show you why we believe. By the way, this is not a financial advice. We're not a financial advisor. This is pure entertainment, only our thoughts, nothing more. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We will show you exactly why we believe it's an easy 10x this cycle. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, as you know, let's look on the big picture. Okay, big picture here. You know, let's look on a 3-day. Okay, so that was the breakout. Okay, this was our accumulation here. That was our accumulation range. Boom. Okay, that was the breakout here. The breakout here, that was your first wave for ZBCN. Okay, first wave up. Okay, so in the triangle. Okay, now then it went down here. That's where in leg 2, the corrective leg. We're now finished corrective leg 2, wave 2. In July. That's what we believe. It is done. Now we are in leg 3. Okay, we are in leg 3, which is the biggest. Okay, which is the biggest. Remember, which is the biggest. And then once you're gonna finish leg 3, you're gonna have leg 4 down, little correction like leg 2, and then probably another 5th leg to new highs. Okay, so we're gonna show you why. But now look. Now we're in leg 3, okay? We are in leg 3, in a big leg 3. Okay, let's put here the big leg 3, for example, okay? Which we're gonna have inside of it another little Elliott wave cycle with 3 moves up, okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say we think now we finished leg 1 out of 3, okay? Out of the 3rd leg, we finished leg 1. We're now in consolidation, pullback leg 2. We will zoom in, we will show you what we're looking for. And then we're gonna have leg 3 here, probably break the highs, pull back, and then another one. Not sure it's gonna go all the way there, but just a box. And once we're gonna finish leg 3, okay. Once we're gonna finish leg 3, probably gonna go to a correction. Okay, could be a long one. Go a correction, you know, leg 4, sometimes it's long. And then you're going to have another one. Okay, that's what we think is going to happen. That's what we think is going to happen, like map-wise, you know, what should happen. And yeah, this is that's what we think. And we believe it's easy 10x because only on the next leg up, okay, let's zoom in here on the daily here, okay? Remember, we believe we're in leg 2, okay? Leg 3. So inside the leg 3, we're now in leg 2, little one of this cycle here. Okay, so now we believe we're in leg 2. So we believe it's probably going to pull back a little, could be pulling back a little bit more, maybe to retest that breakout here. We had this breakout here, or of the 36, okay, 36 here. We had the breakout, can come down, retest it, you know, and bounce, bottom out, and then start the next leg up. Okay, the next leg up, which will be the 3rd inside of this bigger wave. Okay, and then we're gonna have a bit, probably, obviously, we're gonna have a little pullback and continue another push higher. So we think only on this leg up, we think there is a chance it's going to go very, very high. I will show you what I'm looking for. I'll show you some targets to watch, but you know, it can go to the 2 cent, you know, if it pulls back, for example, to these levels here, again, this is not a financial advice, and it goes, for example, to just 2 cents, you know, that's a 5x. Yeah, that's a 6x actually, 500%. Okay, now if it goes to there, you know, that's probably, you know, that's gonna be a 10x move. Yeah, more than that. Okay, so the next target here, that's a 10x. Okay, if it goes to the 40, the 4 cent, and let's say it pulls back to around the let's call it the 35-ish, and it goes to the 3.5 cent. You do the math, you know, that's it. That's 10x, and that's we believe is like underperformance. We believe it could go much higher than that. Remember, ZBCN is a small cap coin. It's not big. It's only 400 million. Let's say it's pulling back a little bit. So it's going to be pulled back, let's say another 25%, 20%. So it will take it to 300 million. All right. And then a 10x from there, it's 3 billion. Man, did you look on the coins market crap list? Do you see what you have here? You have Solana with 100 bill. BNB, which is an exchange coin with 100 bill, XRP with 180 billion, Bitcoin with 2,300,000,000. What is 3 billion for a coin? In a bull run, in an altcoin season, bull run, nightmare mode, banana days. It's nothing. Okay. Now you have outright scams with look at, for example, you have a Bitcoin Cash. Okay, 11 billion, man. Clone coin. Okay, you have many of them that are doing nothing. None of them doing nothing. All scams. LTC. All, come on, man. It have a huge potential. We believe ZBCN have huge potential. That's why we are, we liking it and we trading it a lot. Now, let's talk short term, okay? By the way, guys, do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. If you follow ZBCN, you like ZBCN, you like ZBCN, leave a comment. Do me a favor, leave a comment. What do you think about ZBCN? What do you think about it? Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you dumping? What are you doing? What are you doing? Drop a like and drop a comment. So look, now we think there is a chance. Look, if you look on time-wise as well here, this leg up, it was around 30 days, okay? So that was 30 days. Wave up. And let's call it wave up. Up 30 days. Now we're in a down move. Looks like down move or sideways move, okay? But let's call it, these pullbacks is to gain momentum for another leg up. Because you're in a bull market. These are not pullback in a bear market. Okay, this is a bull market, and when you get pullbacks, the coin is getting momentum, resetting the momentum actually, and getting buyers. Buyers are buying. It pulls back, resting, collecting. Buyers collecting the coin. Bam, bam, bam. Stupid people sell it in a loss or whatever, and then it start the next leg up. Okay, that's how markets move. Okay, up, and then they pull back to get more buyers, and then bam, and again bam, bam. That's like waves, man, like waves in the ocean. They bound, and then they repeat. Okay, rebuild it. A wave is not out of the get-go on its maximum size. It starts small. You don't even see him. It's under the ground and under the water. Sorry, and then it's like starting. Get my point. So anyway, we're now in the pullback moment, okay? And look, if that was a 30 days up, let's say it's doing 20 days down, okay? So you're now in, let's look from here, we're now in a pullback of like 6 days, 8 days, something like that, okay? So let's say it's doing 20 days or something like that, 20 days. Look, it looks like it can definitely be slow and choppy in August, and then in September, let's say it's going down or whatever, it's doing this, man, if it's doing this, it's like, wow, it's unbelievable, okay? So whatever, once it's going to complete a pattern here, its corrective pattern, whether it's a down leg or sideways, then you want to load up. That's what we're going to do, okay? That's what we're going to do. We're going to load the F out of this because that's probably going to be the best trade, It was the best trade for us in May, okay? That was the best trade we took in the community in May, in the month of May. And we're looking to trade it again, obviously, on the next leg up, which we believe is going to be very explosive. It's going to be this type of moves, not this kind of a choppy, pooky, bollocks move, okay? Because that leg will take us probably above the last peak. And once you clear the peak, you go discovery mode. You go, all-time high territories, blue sky, no resistance. Get me? So pay attention to ZBCN, man. This is the time, to research it, to do your research about it, if that's what you like to do in your life, to follow the chart, to follow volume, follow the coin, and wait for it. Wait for it. We are waiting for it. It's on our radar. We're going to buy a lot of ZBCN this year, man. We're just waiting now for it to complete its correction. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, if you trade crypto, make sure to get yourself Bitunix account, link below. By far, the best exchange to trade crypto. Been trading crypto for the last 8 years. This is the best exchange I ever used. Man, no VPN, no KYC, the cheapest trading fees in the world, and they give you actual bonuses for deposit, man. That's amazing, man. Amazing. Check it out, man. And you can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, man. No VPN, no KYC. And by the way, really, if you like ZBCN, we invite you to join our membership, man. This is actually the best time now because we're getting a little crypto pullback now. Okay, now coins are pulling back and a lot of coins will set up for the next move up. Okay, that's what happened in bull market pullbacks. You get setups. Okay, you get these setups, and these coins that will set up the best, they are going to be the next leader for the next leg up, probably in a week, maybe a couple of days, or maybe in September. Doesn't matter. But the next bull run, crypto moves in waves. You had a wave in July. You had now a little wave. Now it's up to Bitcoin if it will continue. If Bitcoin will continue from here, you're gonna get more fundamentals. But if it will rest and pull back, market will rest with it. Once Bitcoin will move higher, or Ethereum, one of them, okay, one of them will move higher, or both, then you're gonna get the next winners that will start pumping. And you want to be in the right ones, because most people will not make money in this market. This market is tough. It's for professional people. It's not for the babies, that buy and hold and blah, blah, blah. It's not going to happen, man. It's not a hodler market. It's a trader's market. They run, and then the Bitcoin pulling back or chop, they pulling back all the way down. You got to collect your profits. You must collect your profits. Must protect yourself also with a stop on every trade you take. You got to be professional. This is not an easy market. This is nothing like 2021 or 2020. Don't be fooled. This is not the same market. Many coins will fail, will not do nothing, absolutely nothing. They will just keep going down and down and down. Why? Crap. All this market is full a lot of crap. You need to know what you're doing. That's why you have the membership. That's the best membership in the world, man. There is nothing like that. Nothing come near the level of coins we trade or service we give. So really, if you like to trade crypto, join VIP. Scan the QR code. You have the coupon code running here. Summer sale 25. Join us. That's the best time to join VIP. By the way, if you trade with more than 6 digit, check out the Elite VIP. This is for serious people that need private coaching, private guidance, and they want the best service possible. These people, if you want the best for yourself and you trade crypto, check out the Elite VIP. By the way, once you join, book a call with me ASAP. See you in the next video. Cheers.